Hello, dear students. It is my pleasure to declare that the topics, whatever I planned to lecture, that I could cover. And so we are at the end of the course. By the last lecture on semilinear evolution problem, we have concluded the course material. And I really enjoyed giving this lecture. While lecturing, you possibly have seen some places, some here and there typos appeared in the slides. So what I have done is that I have revised and corrected those slides, and those would be made available. And there is one particular course page also I have created, which would be live for forever, because now whatever the modified files you would get, if I need to modify a little more further here and there, so that I might not be able to give there, but of course surely I'd be able to do that in my own course page. So I have a particular course page, so I'm showing you how to reach there. If you just search by my name, you'd be able to get this website, and here you would be able to see a link, teaching link. In the teaching link, so there I generally update all the courses that I teach in the present or the whatever or the past semester, whatever I taught. So here this appears now at the top because this is the present semester. Okay, so over time it would go below to in the list, and in that course page, what you can see now, here I have the list of all the topics, and then I have mapped the video numbers corresponding to those topics also here. And at the end of this list, there is a file cabinet. So Google Drive file cabinet. So here in this file cabinet, you'd be able to get all the slides. Okay, and these slides are the same thing what you would be what you would be able to get for my course, which are modified, not possibly zero, but less error, less typing error. So these files are written in the names of like presentation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, and you can read these blue things here, which explains the arrangement of the files here. And also I would get help from TA and other students to make one printable version of the slides. Okay, so like a lecture note. Okay, and those lecture notes are not a full one single lecture note for the whole course lectures, but separate different files. Okay, so there I try to mention the video numbers also, which are associated with these lectures. So one would be able to get that given a topic, which one can find out. Say for example here, given a week number, one can see what are the lecture topics, and for these lecture topics, which is the video number. And one can also see here, say particular topic, for this particular topic, what is the corresponding slide. Okay, and also here, whatever the video number corresponding that, what is the corresponding lecture note. Okay, so this lecture note I have not prepared yet. So for this I need help from TA or some other students who are going to compile. Just recast the slide content into a printable version. So till now only 3 lectures notes are appearing here till video 8, but some more would appear very soon. Okay, wish you all the best. I really encourage you to take this course seriously, and whatever is taught here are basically from 2 books. Both the books are very good, and I really found those are easy to self-study also. Okay, students can actually learn more details than whatever I have delivered in the course. Okay, those are fantastic books. So it was my work was much easier because those books were anyway written very nicely. And only thing what I just did is that just removed some parts and included the things to make a course here. And I really believe that if you are confident about this course, if you think that you have learned all the concepts delivered in the course, and then I think you are ready to start actually taking up a research problem in this direction, and you would be able to confidently, work in this direction seriously. Okay, I hope that this really, becomes useful for many of you, and many of you find it useful, not only now but in future also. Many future students also should get benefited from this course. And if you find any more content, any part of the course which you think that I could improve better by giving more details, or by having different approach, or you think that some things are really vague, I did not do it properly, so whatever you feel like, you can give me, you can send me an email, you can write to me, and I would make sure that those suggestions would be, reflected in the lecture notes. Okay, so this page would be, is basically maintained by me. If I find that some very good point, what I have missed or what I could have included. Okay, so not by making the length abruptly long, but it can fit very well. So those parts or those explanations I would really love to include, and I'd like to keep it, and I'd like to improve the present course material over time. Okay, thank you very much for registering for this course, attending this, asking questions in the forum, solving assignments, etc. I am really happy to see the enthusiasm among the students. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you very much.